Hey guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from the Basement Workshop. Hope you're all having a wonderful time. I just wanted to make a quick video and share with you what Santa brought me. In an earlier video where I showed you the gifts I got for myself, but this is from Santa, so let's see what we got. Oh wow, check that out. Some of you may know I am a fan of vintage early sci-fi TV shows, and The Invaders is certainly high on my list. So this is, it's the spaceship. It's the spaceship from the TV show. It's a model. I haven't built a model in a long time, so we'll have some fun with this. Let's take a closer look at it. Sorry about the glare. Skill level 2, ages 12 and up. So let's see if I can handle that. Ooh, has a nice, nice musty vintage smell inside. Now, as far as I know, this is not a real kit from the 60s or 70s. It says copyright 2018 on this on the box. But it sure feels old. It sure smells old. So that does make me wonder. $1.50 retail. Reproduction of original sell sheet provided to hobby dealers. Okay, that's cool. To be honest, I'd rather have a reproduction than a real original, in which case I'd be inclined to not open it or certainly not build it. So I'm very glad that this reproduction exists. Well, it's pretty involved. Hey, we even get some action figures to put inside. Hopefully it's all here. Oh, decals, man. When I was a kid I was terrible at these, but hopefully I've gotten more skilled since. Some little clear plastic dome parts. And yeah, I mean, there we go. As I say, hopefully it's all here. There's one little action figures, so. I'm not going to assemble it right here, right now. I got too many other things going on today, but in the not too distant future, we'll be building a model. Plus, I think I might have to get some plastic glue and read up on what people are doing these days, the water slide decals and stuff. Probably a little more advanced than when I was a kid building models like this. Cool. Very, very happy to have gotten this. Thanks, Santa. And thank you all for all your support and comments from 2024. And I do plan on doing a year-end wrap-up video and share you my thoughts on 2024 and what will be coming in 2025. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.